Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to secure IoT devices from hackers. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to secure your IoT devices from hackers, then you can simply use a multi-layered approach that combines strong authentication, network segmentation, and regular updates. So first of all, you need to create a unique and strong password. Once you create it, you need to enable multi-factor authentication, which will allow you to have more security. Now, implement strong access control and secure your remote access as well. After this, you can simply segment your network. Isolate your IoT devices from your main network where your computer phones are by placing them on a separate guest network. After this, you can use a strong encryption protocol and turn off unnecessary features. You can also use a firewall to make control on traffic and block unwanted connections. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.